How to open the tailgate when it won't open from the outside. Hi guys, today I want to show you how to open the tailgate on the Hyundai Tucson when it won't open from the outside. In this situation, the good news is you don't need any tools at all. Okay, let's do it. First you need to open the rear door and fold down the rear seats. Then you need to crawl inside to the bottom of the tailgate. There you will see a small cover that you need to remove. You can use your finger or thumb to simply press down. After you remove the cover, you will see the internal lock mechanism with a white lever. You need to push the lever from the left to the right side to unlock the tailgate.